Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I will show you how to fix WAN error -83. This is a connection error and it has a simple way to fix it. So two methods to it. The first thing, if you experience this issue or this error, is you simply go to add or remove programs. Once you're in here, type in Vanguard. Once you find Vanguard, click on three dots and click uninstall, and then uninstall again, and it will open a window and you fully uninstall it. Once you have uninstalled it, double click on Write Client, and once you loaded the client, you simply download the Vanguard again and it should work. Now, if that doesn't help, the second thing you do after you reinstall the Vanguard is you open search, type in run. In run, you type this, services.msc. Click OK. Once this opens, click anywhere here and press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Once you found it, click double click on it, and then it will say here manual. Put it to automatic. Not delayed start, just automatic. And then click start, apply OK. Once you've done that, simply restart your PC and then relaunch Valorant. And that should fix your issue forever. And that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Hopefully this helped. Bye bye.